Hey beautiful people, in this tutorial you will learn how to build like this landing page with help of Claude AI, and then you can edit this whole landing page or the website. You can edit with Elementor with a few clicks. So AI is going to build the entire website for you, and then you can edit with Elementor by clicking. If I'm going to click on edit with Elementor, now you can see that we can edit everything with Elementor. And in this tutorial you will learn exactly how to build like this any kind of the website. By clicking on the pencil icon you can change the text. Clicking on the pencil icon here you can change the image, you can change the text over here, you can click on the button, you can add the link, you can text, everything you can change by yourself. And then you can see how it works, how the Claude can help you to build the entire website for your WordPress and editable with Elementor. And then if I click on over here, right, so if you click on style to make the center, it go to the centers, and all the links are working quite fine. If I click on everything, you can edit by clicking with the pencil icon. And if I click on these social media icons, you can change the number, you can change the contact information, and click on the publish. So yeah, if I click onto the preview, I want to show you something. Everything is working. Click on the book a discovery call, it's going to go out, it goes on to the Calendly. And then if I'm going to go here on social media links, if I click on the LinkedIn, so it is going to take you on my profile, which is we have already on the LinkedIn. So let's get started. Let me show you how you can build entire the website with the help of AI and editable with Elementor. In this tutorial we're going to do an experiment. We're going to ask the Claude to generate a landing page or a funnel that can be editable in Elementor, right? So we're going to ask the Claude to generate a funnel, and then we're going to import that file into the Elementor so easily we can edit the stuff on WordPress. So let's get started. I have tested already that it was working quite fine, so I decided to record a video so I can show you that how you can ask the Claude to make a website for you, or a funnel, or the landing page, and then you can import that website into the WordPress with Elementor. So for that I want to show you something. This is my website rajasain.com, right? So I gave a prompt to the ChatGPT here to make a landing page or funnel for my website, and I gave it my link as well. So I said I want you to revise Elementor landing page you created. The current design is not good, but I want the field traditionally agency or multi-page business website. Okay, so something I gave it already a prompt. Then now I'm asking again to make it more like a landing page vibes, such kind of the funnel I want, not entire website. So I gave it this prompt to the ChatGPT, right? And it has generated a prompt for me to give it to Claude. So I give it my website, brand name, and my services, style, everything is took from my rajasain.com, from this website, right? We have everything over here. And yeah, if you have such kind of the business, you can give the information to the ChatGPT, right? And then ask ChatGPT to write for you a prompt to generate a landing page for you, the website that can be editable widget in Elementor, right? So now we're going to copy this prompt, right? Make sure you can see the ChatGPT said it should be Elementor JSON template. So Elementor export import files support the Elementor JSON file template, by the way. So I have copied. I'm going to copy this prompt. Now I'm going to go on the Claude over here, and now I'm going to copy and paste this prompt over here. All right, and then I'm going to click on to this icon over here to go. So now it's going to read out all the information. Now it is thinking, right? It's going to take some time. Until then, I want to show you something while it is working on. We're going to go, you can see it is fetching data from my website rajasain.com. If you don't have the website, you just can give the information to the ChatGPT and make sure you ask it to make it the template or website or page or funnel editable in Elementor. So it's going to write for you a complete prompt. So yeah, I want to show something here. If I'm going to go visit on my WordPress dashboard and visit the website, it looks very empty right now. So first thing I want to do, I will go to the dashboard over here until it is working on it. You can see it is working on. So it is fetching the data, and I'll set up the directory and the Python generator script for the Elementor JSON template, right? So now we're going to go again to the WordPress, and here go to the themes, and here I'm going to install a theme called the Hello theme, and I'm going to write here it is, Hello theme, Hello Elementor. So we're going to click on install, and click on activate. And once it's done, let me see where it is. Yeah, it is working on it. And so now we go back again. So now here it says install the Elementor, so we need to install the Elementor. You can install directly from here, or otherwise you need to go here on plugins and click on add a new plugin, and here you can write it Elementor. Okay, and then you're going to see this first Elementor widget, Elementor website builder, more than just a builder, and by Elementor. Just click on install now, and click on activate. Okay, now it's asking to sign in, but you can click on continue as a guest, and then it's going to ask you something like this. Otherwise you can skip here from here if you want, just skip it. And then we're going to say continue with the free, and that's it. Here we go. Now it's okay. So what we have to do now, just I'm going to click on the top and click on exit to the WordPress, and click on the top here. Perfect. So now we're going to go back again to the Claude, and here we go. Now you can see that it has already created for us a file. Here we go. So we need to click on to download it, and then JSON file is downloaded, right? So it did everything for us. So now we have to go again to the WordPress, right? I'm going to go on the dashboard, and I will go to on the pages and click on add a new page, and right now I'm going to give it the name Raja. Sign, right? And I'm going to click on edit with Elementor. Right, and simply what I'm going to do, I will click on the top here, page settings, and then I'm going to make sure the page layout is Elementor canvas. So it's going to take the full width. Perfect. Now here you're going to see the three options, the plus icon and here the folder icon. So we need to click on the folder icon and click on the templates, and on the top you're going to see here the arrow icon. Click on it, and now it says import the template. So already we have downloaded the template file from the Claude, so now we're going to drag and drop over here, right? So it is going to ask you to click on to the continue and click on enable import, Now it's going to take few seconds. Okay, here we go. The landing page, and it is important. Now we're going to click on insert, and now everything will be inserted in our WordPress website dashboard. Here we can see that. You can see it looks the image, and it says go high level expert. If you're going to click on the, you can see how it created, very amazing, with a few clicks. And more importantly, you can see it took projects I have done on my website. I have added here the projects I have done for my clients. It's pretty amazing. And yeah, client feedback, footer, and here you can see everything is editable. So what we have done, we asked the Claude to generate a funnel or landing page for our website that could be editable with Elementor in WordPress, and it did a very great job. I'm really impressed to see these results, and you can edit everything. So if I'm going to click on the button is over here, I'm going to take off that button, right? And now you can see it added the container, everything by itself. It's pretty amazing. It added the home, services, portfolio, process, reviews, about, contact, and it gave it my name as Will Raja Sain Digital. And simply now we can like adjust the image size, something like that. We can add another image, by the way. And we can take off this from the top. It did very impressive work. Yeah, perfect. So if I click on this pencil icon over here, you can see it added everything. So now I'm going to click on style and typography. Now I can resize it accordingly. That's cool. That's really cool. If I'm going to click on the button over here, right, go to the style, and I can change the colors, by the way. So let me see, my buttons colors are like that. So I'm going to tag. Now I'm going to go over here, and I want to change the background color, something like that, and the text color should be black. So here we go, something like that. Now it looks cool, and let's make it the transparent, something like that. Okay, see how it looks like, very clean, professional. So you can change anything whatever you want. I like it the way it is. You can see now within the few clicks, if you're going to give it the more like a decent prompt to the Claude, it can generate more amazing website for you. But we can add another image, like suppose let me take this image. Copy. Now we come here, the website, and now you can see easily you can replace the image. Now this looks cool. But if you have another image, you can add that. Let me to see another image. that can be work for it. Just an example. If I have my image, by the way, it looks cool. You can add yours. It was just an experiment that how Claude can build for us a landing page or website with for Elementor that can be editable simply. And if I'm going it, you can see, you can click on over here to change everything by clicking on the pencil icon, and it is super easy to do that everything. And it did for me everything like the go high level funnel, go high level automation, WordPress, Shopify, SEO. That's cool. If I'm going to click over here, you can add the like the icon. Some icons are missed, but it did the amazing. It gave it the 7 years of experience, 750 orders projects completed, 5+ stars, reviews, go high level, conversation best, and more important, it did this one. Amazing. And then a simple process, how it works: discovery call, strategy, automation, launch, support, and then how it looks on the mobile phone version. Let me show you. It is already mobile phone responsive as well. Look at this, is amazing. But clicking on to the good style, we can always resize it accordingly. But I am quite impressed with the results. The way it did it, amazing. You can see it gave it the pending, everything, so you can resize it. Perfect. Love it. Love it. And then simply you can click on the publish. It looks very great on mobile phone version, by the way. And now we're going to go on to the website, and let's see the page going to go. The pages, and I created the page Roger sign. Now I click on the view, and this is how it looks. I click on the services, it go on the services. If I click on the portfolio, it goes on the portfolio smoothly. I click on the reviews, it goes on the reviews over here. And then click on the contact, it go over here. And here we can change the information with a few clicks, right? The button is over here, so we can change it. So let's see if buttons are working. If I'm going to click on the book of discovery call, amazing, it's going to go my calendar where you can book a call. That's pretty amazing, impressive. Then if I'm going to go back again and click on view my work, and then it go to directly the projects I have done. So let's see if I click on the view project. Amazing. Amazing. This is totally amazing. The links, everything is working fine. Impressive. So go back. If I click onto this website, these are all the website I have built so far. So yeah, if you need my help, you can simply contact me by going to go Raja Sign Digital. You can write here on the Google Raja Sign Digital, and you can find us you can find our website. So yeah, if you need any kind of help regarding the WordPress website or the go high level, we can help you. Right, so now we go back again to our project. So yeah, these go back. So yeah, you could see how things became now more easily to build a website within the few clicks with the help of the AI. I think that's it, but in the future I'm pretty sure Claude is going to work more pretty things and going to give the more amazing result. So that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. If you are totally new, thank you for watching this video. If you are totally new, do not forget to subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.